On the surface, it looked peaceful. A quiet lake in Cameroon, called Lake Nyos. But on August 21st, 1986, the lake exploded. No flames, no warnings, no sound, just death. Villagers nearby were found lying in place, as if they had just fallen asleep and never woke up. 700 people and 3,500 animals were gone in minutes. What happened? Beneath the lake, a hidden volcano had been leaking carbon dioxide for years. It built up, trapped under the water like a shaken soda can. Then, suddenly, it erupted. A massive cloud of invisible CO2 burst from the lake, heavier than air, and it rolled silently through the valleys, suffocating everything in its path. No smell, no color, no escape. Scientists call it a Limnic eruption, an ultra-rare natural disaster. It's only happened twice in recorded history. But here's the nightmare fuel. There are still lakes like it, and we're not sure when the next one will blow.